Chapter 2: Memory and Storage. Learning Objectives. After studying the chapter, students will be able to learn about data and information, learn about data storage units, understand the concept of internal and external memory, know about primary and secondary memory. Likewise, a computer also has a memory that allows us to store the data in it. Let us learn this concept in detail. Introduction. A computer is a machine that is capable of performing many functions with efficiency and accuracy. It lacks in thinking and decision-making abilities, but it can store a large amount of data and information of different kinds. A computer has many roles. A computer follows the IPO cycle. It reads the data, processes it, and produces the required output. In this chapter, you will deal with the storage aspect of a computer. Data. To a computer, data is unorganized raw facts and figures. Data is usually the facts and figures fed into a computer through its various possible input devices. Information. Data and information may sound like similar terms, often used interchangeably, but they have different meanings. Data need not involve a computer always. If you have 100 rupees in notes and coins, the fact that you have this money is data. If you deposit into your bank account, then the computers in the bank store that data as information. Information is the data transformed after processing by the computer. Any data on which processing has happened with or without use of computer is known as information. Example: a photograph is data. If the photograph is processed to identify the people in it, it is information. Memory. The capacity of a computer to store data and information is called its memory. It is used to store the input as well as the processing and output of a computer. Memory capacity. The memory of a computer is large in size. You can easily store text, pictures, games, audio and video files in the computer's memory. When you give instructions to the computer, these instructions get converted into a new language known as machine language. Info bits. Machine language is in the form of zeros and ones. A computer understands the language of only zeros and ones. As you measure height in feet and inches, weight in grams or kilograms, similarly, a computer's memory is measured in bytes. A byte consists of a group of 8 bits. Other units for measuring a computer's memory are kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, etc. 1 nibble equals 4 bits. 1 byte equals 8 bits. 1 kilobyte KB equals 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte MB equals 1024 kilobytes. 1 gigabyte GB equals 1024 megabytes. 1 terabyte TB equals 1024 gigabytes. 1 petabytes 1 PB equals 1024 TB. 1 exabyte 1 EB equal 1024 PB. Info bits. In machine language, the digits 0 and 1 are known as binary digits or bits. Types of memory. The memory in a computer system can be divided into two main parts: primary memory and secondary memory. Memory. Internal primary memory, RAM, ROM. External secondary memory, hard disk, CD or DVD or Blu-ray disc, flash or pen drive, memory card. Primary memory. Primary or internal memory is used to temporarily store the data and programs running in the computer. It is essential for the working of a computer. Primary memory is of two types: RAM and ROM. Random access memory, RAM. Random access memory holds the data temporarily. Information can be read and written on it. Information can be read and written on it. RAM is a volatile memory as the data disappears when the power is switched off. It is also known as read or write memory. Read-only memory, ROM. Read-only memory is used to store the data and information permanently. Programs are stored on ROM chips. When a computer is manufactured, you can only read the information from ROM. Any new information cannot be written into it. ROM is a non-volatile memory as the data is stored even if the power is switched off. Secondary memory. Secondary or external memory can store large amount of data and information. You can store data until it does not reach its maximum limit of storage capacity. It can retain data for a long time even after the computer is switched off. The different types of external storage devices are hard disk, DVD, CD, Blu-ray disc, pen drive. Let us study about these devices in detail. Hard disk. Hard disks are the primary medium of storage in computers that are installed inside the box of CPU. It is the main storage area of a computer. Without hard disk, a computer cannot work. They have the capacity to hold a large amount of data. External hard disks are very popular among users as they do not need to be put inside the system cabinet and can be connected using a cable. They can easily be carried anywhere. Info bits. A floppy disk can store only a small amount of data. It is used to store the files safely. Floppy disk drive is visible from the outside. Floppy disks can be used to transfer and carry data. Nowadays, it is not available for use. CD. A compact disc or CD is a circular plastic disc which can store data around 700 MB of can be used to store songs, pictures or to load new programs into the computer. CDs are generally of two types, CDR and CDRW. CDR is a compact disc recordable. Data can be written only once on these disks. After that, the data on the disk becomes permanent. This data can neither be erased nor any new data be written on it. CDRW. On the other hand, a CDRW is a CD rewritable disk. You can store the data on it and can also erase. DVD. A digital versatile disk. DVD stores a large amount of data. It is used to store full movies and produce better quality pictures. It can store up to 4.7 GB of data. Blu-ray disc. It is the latest form of disk with a storage capacity of 25 GB. It can store sound and movies of the highest quality and is also used for storing console games having high quality graphics. Pen drive. A pen drive is a small portable device which can store a large amount of data. You can easily store and transfer the data from one computer to another with the help of a pen drive. Pen drives are faster and more reliable than any other storage devices. Pen drives are available in different designs and memory capacities. The maximum storage of a flash drive is 1 TB. It is connected to a USB port in the system cabinet. Memory card. It is used for storage in devices such as smartphones, cameras, etc. In order to access data stored in them on a computer, a card reader is required. Many laptops have inbuilt card readers. Summary. Data is raw facts or figures. Information is processed data stored in a computer or output. Computer understands the only language called machine language. A byte consists of 8 bits. The computer memory is of two types, primary memory and secondary memory. Primary or internal memory stores data and programs currently in use. Primary memory is of two types, ROM and RAM. ROM, read-only memory, is permanent non-volatile memory. RAM, random access memory, is temporary volatile memory. Secondary or external memory stores data and programs permanently for future use. Secondary memory includes hard disk, DVD, CD, pen drive, Blu-ray disc and memory card.